The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Nelson Mandela. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Walt Disney. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Steve Jobs. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. If you look at what you have in life, you'll always have more. If you look at what you don't have in life, you'll never have enough. Oprah Winfrey. If you set your goals ridiculously high and it's a failure, you will fail above everyone else's success. James Cameron. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will live as one. John Lennon. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. Mahatma Gandhi. Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier. Mother Teresa. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate, only love can do that. Martin Luther King Jr. Do one thing every day that scares you. Eleanor Roosevelt. Well done is better than well said. Benjamin Franklin. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched, they must be felt with the heart. Helen Keller. It is during our darkest moments that we must focus to see the light. Aristotle. Do not go where the path may lead, go instead where there is no path, and leave a trail. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Be yourself, everyone else is already taken. Oscar Wilde. The best quotes contain messages that provide wisdom we can carry with us every day and inspire us to be our best selves. Let these words fill you with hope and give you the motivation to keep going, even when things are hard.
Hello friend, I am Zoya and you watch this motivational Zoya channel. Thank you for watching. Successful leaders and entrepreneurs are valuable sources of inspiration and motivation. Many of these experts condense their life experience and wisdom into short quotes that are meaningful and encouraging.